Want to hear the most annoying sound in the world?
In North Carolina, North Kakalaki, boy, at the marathon. My boy Steve, yo, he said, I'm gonna come pick you up in the beater. He wasn't lying, man. All right, if these glasses don't scream Little League Baseball, I don't know what does. Is this a good look? I was at Pageland Dragway, about to do the True Street Cruise in the green bean. True Street Cruising, here we go. Hey, we True Street Cruising?
We true. If you want to clean the tires off, clean them off.
Oh.
That's good.
Yeah, they're cleaned off.
That's good. What do you think about the green bean?
I love the green bean. Hey, Steven, thanks for having me out, bro.
Hey, man, I can't express how much, like how grateful I am for you coming out. Honest to God, like we met in Vegas and we took a relationship further than I thought we'd ever go for somebody I met out in Vegas.
Dude.
Like racing is taking, we're like racing family now and it's never gonna go nowhere.
For real. Hey, you just keep saying yes at every opportunity that you get.
Yes, at every opportunity.
Every single one. South Carolina boys. South Carolina.
South Carolina. We fucking North Carolina, Jimmy.
Is it north or
It's
south?
fucking north.
We're in
South Carolina, but we're from North Carolina.
Hey,
We're fucking North Carolina.
We're in
We
North
over here
Carolina.
with Jimmy Fair. Look, man, I'm
Hey.
sweating like a fucking popcorn or something.
It ain't even that cold out or hot out here, bro. It ain't even that hot out here. I came to the Carolinas and these dudes gave me a drink that tasted like candy, but I think it was race gas of some sort. It was fire,
You know
boy.
damn well we ain't trying to crank your little ass moped up.
It don't
You
take
ain't
much,
no
bro.
jump
It don't take much. This is a big grudge race? Big grudge race. Let's do it.
Hell yeah, we can try y'all motherfuckers.
No. Hey, what's up, baby? Thank you. Appreciate you. right back. Boy, we gotta get another hump. Best damn track wings I ever had. Day 2 in North Carolina. My boy Eric Davey.
How's everything?
This is my Lyft driver. He came and got me from the hotel and taking me to Z-Max right now. Had to go get some shades. And I appreciate the ride, bro.
No problem, brother. Anytime.
Appreciate it very much.
Access granted.
Hey, I want to thank Jacob McNeil for this awesome opportunity to come to NHRA Z-Max full lives. Full lives. Hey man, who's got a top fuel car wants to put Jimmy in it? Let's go, man. Let's go.
Championships, I think, over on the ice side of the fence, and it includes your very own Sportsville.
It's time for a safety meeting.
Safety meeting.
If y'all want to know where Ryan Martin got his new car design, it's right here. Mr. Gray himself.
All right here. All our good ideas come from right here. I still got the strongest small block nitrous combo in the world at the
Hey,
track. At the
tell
track,
him
at the
again.
track.
Tell him one more time.
I've got the strongest small block nitrous car in the world, hands down. Got about an inch thick of dust on it, but I can blow it off any day of the week anybody wants to try it. But we might,
He said any small block nitrous car on the planet that wants problems.
I don't give a damn if it's class, right? I don't care who it is. You Ron Rhodes, it don't damn matter. Now, if we get bored enough one day, we might try to do a little no prep deal with it. 'Cause that car
Oh,
has
yeah.
went down a dirt road.
Hey,
Right,
no
like-
prepping with Jason X. Hey, now he's talking crazy. He's talking crazy. I'm picking up on this motherfucker right now.
This is a roots blower.
A
right
roots
here.
blower.
Yeah, this is if you want a roots blower, this is the best one to buy.
Gotcha.
And then these.
And then how big's the motor? Hemi headed.
That's nothing but like a little 340 small block.
340.
Yeah, 340.
Three, baby.
There you go. Anything for the kids. Anything for
Yeah.
the kids. That's our future.
It is our future. He ain't never lied.
Def Leppard sucks!
What's up, guys? Here we are in Scott Palmer's pit. What you doing, Scott?
Hanging out with Jimmy Dale.
Hanging out with Jimmy Dale. I was charging my phone in a Top Fuel trailer. Hey, look at these guys. Mike Carpenter, Drag Illustrated.
What's up, man?
Scott Palmer, Top Fuel Dragster,
yeah.
team owner, Top Fuel
Future
boat.
small tire guy.
Future small tire gangster. What?
Hey!
These dudes are talking about doing a $10,000 free entry invite only, 28 small tire, Friday Stampede of Speed this year.
This year. October.
What else you want to know? That's all you need to know. I was the NHRA 4 wides running into Matt Blocken. He's the, what's the official? He's official tech guy.
Official
Official
as a
tech
whistle.
guy. All right, how do they try to cheat? I know they can't cheat, but how do they try to cheat?
Man, they keep us busy. They keep us busy.
They're trying.
Everyone's okay. We got a real tight pro stock field out here. 400s between number 2 and number 16.
400?
650.
So they're all in the same tent.
655 gets you number 2 qualifier. 659, you're in that trailer going home.
Yeah. The 23 cars tried to show up to get in 16 spots.
Yes. 23 cars for 16 spots.
Damn.
It's the most pro stock cars we've ever had in the fuel injection era at NHRA.
What do you think is helping that happen?
I think just the parity between teams, the fact that everyone's on a level playing field and
Yeah.
everyone knows that they have a chance when they come out here. It makes
Yeah.
a huge difference. Whether you're a small team or a huge team, everyone's got the same stuff and
No
everyone's
doubt.
got the same opportunity to go number 1.
You heard it here first, folks. 32 car field next year, NHRA, all right? I'm with my boy Matt. He's going to give us a rundown of pro stock in 2023. Go, Matt.
All right, we have 23 cars on the property. I'll give you all the quickest rundown I can. This is the McGahey camp, Odessa, Texas. Mason and Chris, father and son. They do real well together. They're definitely some ones to watch.
Texas boys, gotta love it.
Turn over here, Derek Kramer. These are all the KB cars.
All KB. What's
So-
KB mean?
Keith Black Racing. They're
Keith Black.
one of the big pro stock teams. They've got about 5 or 6 cars out here. So
Awesome.
we got Derek Kramer, Dallas Glenn. He's won the last 2 races. So he's
He's
real
hot.
He's real
He's hot, everybody. He won the last 2. Is he our number 1 qualifier today?
No, he's number 2.
He's number 2 qualifier today.
Kyle Koretsky.
Yep.
His family owns Maple Grove in Pennsylvania.
That's
They bought
awesome.
That track last year. Greg Anderson, one of the most infamous drag
I know
racers
that
in
name.
pro stock. He's been around forever. Camry Caruso, one of the newcomers. She won in Phoenix this year, her first race.
Hell yeah. And then who's our number 1 qualifier today?
Right here, next pit over. Matt
Oh
Hartford.
boy. Matt Hartford.
653.
653. And our last qualifier is a 656, right? Or
659.
659. So yeah, parity is insane.
And if you look to his next trailer right here, you can see it's put up. He went 659 with an 8 and was number 17. He's going home.
659 with an 8, and he's packed up, headed home, man.
That's Shane
And
Tucker
then
from Australia.
here's the sauce, right? Once it's over and they don't make the show, they still get to hang out.
Yep.
Because they don't get to just drive out of here because you got the whole show going on, right?
Exactly true.
Man,
Exactly true.
intense. We got any other ones down here?
Yep, these are all the quadras. We got 4 quadras here. It's the first time we've ever had 4 family members in one class at the same race.
Man, they must be selling a lot of boots, man.
Yep. They got a lot of corral boots.
Corral boots. Hit up
So they
Quadra.
got 3 out of their 4 cars in the show. One of the
That's
cars didn't
awesome.
qualify.
And what's the combo these cars run?
500 cubic inch naturally aspirated.
500 cubic inch NA. Holy shit. It's a fucking legend. Who would that be? 10K, free entry, invite only, 28s, Stampede of Speed NHRA race. What y'all think of that? I want to give a shout out to my boy Matt Blockin. He's got his own race called Winter Meltdown. It's December
1st and 2nd, Odessa, Texas.
There you go. Pinwell Raceway, December 1st and 2nd.
Don't miss it.
Don't miss it. We need to support this homie because he's putting Jimmy on the starting line at NHRA, bro. Guys, I couldn't be more excited to get back in my car. Like, I know I'm slow and stuff, but just following all this racing and stuff, like, man, I'm really butthurt I ain't driving something, you know? Like, well, not even something. I want to be driving Magic Johnson. Like, let's get it right. So, it's time to go home and hunker down, get that damn motor done, and get back out there, get tested, because State of the Union's in South Carolina. I want to go to State of the Union. I want to go to Park After Dark. And then you know we got to go to H-Town Throwdown, man. You know it. Getting that is, y'all stay tuned. We'll keep doing all kinds of crazy shit, but the next thing we're focused on is getting Magic back together. And, oh, you know what? Before I do anything, Morgan just messaged me. She said, you ain't allowed to do no more fun stuff until all the t-shirts are sent out. So, it's my fault. But she figured the printer out, so we're getting somewhere, you know? We ordered this new printer, the printer didn't work, I didn't know how to set it up. You know, I could put a tune-up in a race car, but I ain't gonna be able to figure out the printer, you know? So, but she figured it out. She figured the printer out. So I'll get home and I'll start sending out shirts. I think Morgan's sending out shirts right now, but this next week, let me knock all these shirts out. I'll make a video. I'll look, all the shirts are shipped out. And so I'll get on that, and I got some new shirts designs. What about Heartbeat of Your Mom? Thank you guys for Jimmy Dalen. Thank you guys for watching my bullshit. And thanks for all your support. It means a lot to me and my family. And I'm gonna keep kicking ass for y'all.
It was Matt. It was sick helmet.